Hi everyone, my name is Chang Wan Sen. I am the leader of the group 5. Now I want to introduce my group members. First is Sanjri anak perempuan Sangri Kalupans. Second, second is Navinitran anak lelaki Kalimutu. Third is No Nadila Hanim binti Lajadi. And the last one is Nafijuddin bin Muhammad Jamri. This is all of my group member in group 5.
My name is Nafizuddin. I'm going to explain the project overview of our product. The solar e-ventilation fans with smart system offer a cutting-edge solution to address indoor air quality concerns. This fan works by extracting the stale air and circulating the fresh air within the safe enclosed environment. Maintaining a healthy indoor environment is essential for achieving SDG Goal 3. Good health and well-being. Furthermore, this product also contributes to SDG Goal 4, quality education, by providing a conducive learning environment with optimal thermal comfort and humidity levels. Students can thrive and excel in their studies. To address the concern about the energy efficiency, we also incorporate the motion sensor or MOCAP into our solar e-ventilation fans. Additionally, these fans also utilize the solar panels as its power source, aligning with the SDG Goal 7, affordable and clean energy.
Good day, doctor. I'm Sangeet and my matric number is 21110768. I would like to explain about problem statement according to research that has been done regarding ventilation system in MASDAR mini library. MASDAR mini library presents several significant challenges that need to be addressed. Firstly, MASDAR mini library is a lower type window for natural ventilation. The conditioned air from air conditioning system will escape through the open windows, leading to insufficiency in cooling space. These result in waste energy and increased electric bills for MASDAR management, as the AC unit works harder to maintain the desired temperature. The existing ventilation system is outdated, resulting in insufficient circulation and filtration. Additionally, there has been reports of poor quality, which thus accumulated in musty odors, particularly in less frequent area of library. Moreover, the compact layout of MASDAR mini library possesses a constant available space for installing a ventilation system. With limited space, finding suitable location for equipment placement become challenging. Thank you.
My name is Navnithan, son of Karimutu, number matrix 21113313. Today I will explain about objective for our product. The first objective is to develop an energy efficient ventilation system to reduce excessive energy consumption and operating costs. The second objective is to design a ventilation system with an efficient filtration mechanism to improve air quality. The third and last objective is to design and develop an effective ventilation system that can operate efficiently within the limited space. Now I will talk about scope for our product. The first scope is the ventilation system is powered by using solar energy. The second scope is improve air quality in the mini library to create a healthy and pleasant environment for reading and studying. The third scope is to maintain a comfortable temperature for librarians in the mini library. The last scope of our product is the total square footage of the library space will influence the amount of ventilation needed.
My name is Nur Nadila Hani binti Razali. So I want to explain about existing product. The first product is KDK glass mount propeller. and it is exhausts the pollutant directly outside before spreading them throughout the rooms. The model is 20 WUD, the voltage is 220 until 240 volts and it contains 50 Hz. The power is 16 watts. The speed is 1042 RPM. The capacity is 212 CFM. The noise level is 32 dB. The motor type is condenser. The net weight is 1.1 kilogram. The length is 271. The width is 98 and the diameter is 200 millimeter. The price is 207 ringgit and it is suitable for bathroom use. The second one is KDK ceiling mount propeller. It is installed on the ceiling to provide effective air circulation throughout the area. The model is 20 TGQF. The voltage is 220 until 240 volts and it contains 50 Hz. The power is 20 watts. The speed is 1250 RPM. The capacity is 312 CFM. The noise level is 41 dB. The motor type is condenser. The net weight is 1.3 kilogram. The dimension, which is the length, is 315 millimeter. The width is 13 millimeter and the diameter is 305 millimeter. The price is 171 ringgit and it is suitable for commercial and residential use. The last one is KDK glass mount propeller. The ventilating fans keep air circulating in rooms, exhaust contaminated air, and remove offensive odors. The model is 20AQM8. The voltage is 240 volts and it contains 50 Hz. The power is 18.3 watts. The speed is 1301 RPM. The capacity is 318 CFM. The noise level is 37 dB. The motor type is 4-pole condenser. The weight is 2.3 kg. The length is 300 millimeter. The width is 45 millimeter and the diameter is 260 millimeter. The price is 130 ringgit and it is suitable for kitchen, bathroom and bedroom.
In this market survey, we get about 15% of the respondent. In first question, 31 of the respondents are agree that fixed ventilation systems are effectively in improving air quality and comfort in library. However, that is 18 of the respondents are neutral and one of the respondents disagree about the fixed ventilation system. For the second question, 31 of the respondents agree about adding the motion sensor to the ventilation system, followed by 15 of the respondents being neutral, and 4 of the respondents disagree about adding the motion sensor. For the third questions, there are 36 of the respondents agree that solar energy become the power source for the ventilation fan in the library. Only 14 of the respondents are neutral with the suggestions. For the fourth questions, there are 40 of the respondents are agreed that filtration capability of ventilation fan can ensure a clean and healthy environment in the library. Only 10 of the respondents are neutral with the suggestions. For the last questions, 39 of the respondents agree that solar power ventilation systems are more economical choice in the long term compared to traditional system. 9 of the respondents neutral and 2 of the respondents is disagree about the solar power ventilation system.
Based on our customer requirement, the first factor is air ventilation fans should be able to be fixed to the wall to save space. Because we have to focus on utilizing fixed wall-mounted ventilation fans in library, emphasize the needed for practical solution. The second factor is motion sensor as a further must be included because implementing a motion sensor in the ventilation system for library optimize energy efficiency and user experience by tailoring the ventilation to the real-time occupier. The third factor is solar power generation for sustainability because piloting energy efficiency in the air ventilation system for library minimize carbon footprint, reduce utility and expenses, and ensure optimal air quality. The fourth factor is filtration capability to ensure a clean environment. For the filtration capability for environment, the integration of an advanced filtration technology in library ventilation system enhance indoor activity quality. The last factor is must be a reasonable price. Based on our product, achieving a reasonable price for the air ventilation system in library is essentially for financial sustainability.
Hi doctor, it's me again. Well, I'll be sharing our analysis from our house of quality which provides valuable insight into our product development purity. Our customers have clearly indicates that performance is paramount which is rank 1. This means we excel in meeting their expectation for functionality, reliability, and effectiveness. Ranking second in cost underscores our efforts to strike a balance between delivering value to customer and optimizing our product expenses. We will continue to explore cost-effective solutions without compromising on quality or performance. Ranking third in future highlight the importance of innovation, differentiate and capture market demands. Ranking fourth signals the needs for more comprehensive sustainability initiatives. We committed to reduce our environmental footprint and promoting sustainable practice throughout our supply chain and product lifestyle. Ranking fifth in this category indicates area for improvement in optimizing product dimension to better suit customer need and market trend. Thank you.
Firstly, our market identification, we targeted our market toward education institutes, household and companies. Our competitive product with our product is traditional ventilation and other smart system. Next is product identification. The name given to our product is solar e-ventilation fans with smart system. Its basic function is to circulate air inside a closed environment. It was a air ventilation that been regulated by a motion sensor to minimize energy consumption. Mocap captures the motion made by a living being or an object in the said room, and then it will turn on the fan for set amount of time. The fan will stop after the set amount of time run out or there is no longer motion detected in the said room. Next is financial requirement. The target manufacturing cost is estimated to be around RM 551 to 600. And we also offer a 3 month of warranty. Expected financial performance is to be determined. And level of capital investment is still to be determined. Lastly is physical description. The blade of our product is made out of plastic and its frame is made of steel. And its additional function is motion sensor, air filtration and solar panel.
In conclusions, air ventilation update for MASDAR will give the student the needed quality of learning experience. That's all for our presentations. Thank you.